Itbs Hub is world's first IT barter system that converts your free time into real money value coins called ITBC. Tax and exchange rate may apply at the time you buy ITBC. So keep as much ITBC as you can, there's no limit or fear of value decrement. You can spend ITBC anytime for new purchase or renewal of website products and services, tools, credit or subscriptions. There's no need to create multiple accounts on all Itbs Hub platforms. All you need to do is to create a single account on Itbs Hub. Then click your desired website with the one-click login go button and we will automatically transfer your Itbs Hub site login information to other website. Without Itbs Hub account, you cannot buy or renew any website product, service or tool from us. Let's see how Itbs Hub works. First of all, get. How? Either earn free ITBC or buy it. We offer 4 ways to get free ITBC. Offer wall. Do simple activities online on our offer wall like surveys, tasks, playing online games and more. Referral bonus. We offer 2 ways of multi-level referral system, so you can earn up to 25% coins from your referral user offer wall earning real time. Whenever they earn, you will get percentage as per your level from level 1 to 5. Worth of your referral link to other. If someone joins using your link, he will also get a bonus startup coins as per your referral level from 75 to 250 free coins. Contest bonus. Earn by offers within 15 days period and win up to 50% coins on 1st of next month for contest coins earnings and on 15th of month for previous month between 16 and 30. Resell. Complete your monthly target and earn up to 50% coins from your referral user offer wall earning real time. Whenever they earn coins, you will get percentage as per your level from 5 to 10, whereas Simple Client Portal has level from 1 to 5. Along with these 4 ways of getting free ITBC, we offer 2 ways to buy ITBC. 70+ payment methods. Enjoy the widest array of payment options in the industry, including PayPal, credit or debit cards, e-wallets, mobile payment, bitcoins, gift card from Subway, Starbucks, McDonald's and many more. Or direct deposit, so you can also buy ITBC by direct bank transfer. Now, once you've got ITBC, you can spend it to get website products, services and tools in return. All commitments are based on requirements. So if your requirement changes after completion of the project or task, you might be charged extra. Orders. You can track your entire Itbs Hub orders progress. Track ITBC usage. Our system keeps record of each and every ITBC's transaction, so you can check all transactions from one single place. Track offer wall and buy coins transactions. You can track those transactions real time.